So yeah.
It'll be raw.
Yeah. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna do like a breast. Hi guys, I'm with my best friends here today. We're missing two friends. One is Itzika and one is Apurva, and we make the damsels. This is
Okay,
Priya,
weird. Hey
and
everybody.
and this is Ekta. She's extremely sleepy right now. Like I'm gonna do a best friends tag, so we're just gonna ask the questions and these guys are gonna answer.
Is there a prize? Is there a prize?
No.
Then what's the point? Why are we playing it, Ekta?
I'll give
I
you a
think we
pucci.
should sleep. Okay,
I'll give you
we
a
don't want
pucci.
that.
हाँ तो ठीक है फिर हेल्प खुश रहो. Okay. When and how did we meet?
School must be 1995, 1996.
Wow.
पूरी एज मत बताना थर्ड ग्रेड
I know. Okay, I think I remember school bus. That's the first time.
Yeah, so we were like in the same like school bus, and like we had motion sickness together. It was a lot of fun.
Well, we live 15 minutes apart, so yeah.
Yeah. If you could go any place on earth, where would it be and why? Not you, me.
Okay. I would say my house for a sleepover. We love those sleepovers. At least I do.
वो तो है.
Ditto.
एक तो that's cheating. At least कुछ
You
तो
did
जिसमें
not
जब
say that we cannot give the same answer.
Exactly.
मुझे पता था ये ऐसी करेगी. What is your favorite food?
Joy chawal.
Well, that's
Ek to
mine.
that's
I think
yours.
That's ours. I think
Pagla gaya
dal
hai.
bati would be from my mother's end, but then it would be more like
Spaghetti.
no, not really. I would not go for that. I
Cheese?
think I would say
I think she loves everything.
Food.
pav bhaji. Not very sure.
I like
Like
pav bhaji, but it's not like my
food.
favorite. Yeah, I think I like food in general.
Yes.
You can tell. What is your best friend's biggest fear?
That you
Your
lose
biggest-
me.
But it is one of the fears. It's not like the biggest fear.
I so agree with this man. I love this fear.
I mean, my fear is that like I'm gonna lose all my loved ones. So I guess like everybody, like I don't want to be alone ever. What
They're gonna
three
kill us.
movies does your best friend love the most?
Dil
Oh
Chahta Hai.
my god.
What?
No.
Okay, I love it.
Why do you love Dil Chahta Hai? That's
She's
the
too
youngest
sleepy
lady
today.
I know.
That's a nice movie.
I think I would say some
50
romantic
Shades of
flick, but I
Grey.
okay wow.
सुमानी शक्ल ऐसे देख के बोल रही है पर जैसे मेरी आंखों में देखेगी.
I don't know. I'm sorry. I have no idea which movies.
Yeah, because I generally don't like have any
Yeah,
particular
that is what I
favorites.
was about to say.
I just like all funny movies, like particularly animation. Up.
Andaz
Up.
apna apna hai. Andaz
हाँ.
apna apna. See,
हाँ.
I know her.
एक तो usually like तुक्काबाजी. Okay,
Yes,
shut
exactly.
up.
Oh, she did not even
Tell
know
me that it was
tukka.
your favorite movie as well. See, I know you are such a
Okay.
baby.
What part of your best friend's body is their favorite that
Okay,
turned out
okay,
creepy really
that's
fast?
No.
Okay.
Lips?
Your eyes.
This is so creepy. Okay, I'm just.
Like I can't say something.
I like my eyes because like even if I get skinny or fat, they just still look the same.
Same, exactly.
Same goes with your.
What is your best friend's dream job?
Ah. To be an editor of her own magazine, probably something like that. I'm not very sure though. Or probably have a big social media channel and running it. I would so love that if you do that.
हाँ,
I don't care if you want, we want that.
Yeah.
एकता का I know. एकता seriously तू ये बोलेगी?
Yeah,
I thought
and we
you
would
were
get
gonna say
free
काश
stuff.
IAS बन जाए.
Oh, we want a husband.
Love that.
But we would also like if your husband does that. So that's okay with us.
Yeah.
Somebody in
You
your
become a
family
head
should
of
do
a
that,
social
yeah.
media or something, and then your husband can be that.
My dream job is like owning things.
Yes.
Just like owning things. Like most probably vintage things that are like so vintage, they cost so much.
Yes.
Just to own it is like
I still remember
booyah.
you bought that. What do you call it? A
Carousel.
Yeah, exactly. I don't know why did you get it.
Because I like
And
it.
where is it? I can't see it.
It's inside my almirah.
What's the point?
So
I
that-
kind of like turn it when
that-
I'm brushing
that-
my hair at night, so it's really creepy.
Yeah,
Like
yes.
tin, 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 tin. Oh, ये वाला अच्छा है. What? ये मेरे साथ हमेशा होता है. ये रात के 11 बजे भी यही होता है, दिन के 5 बजे भी.
So tell them to shut up and
No,
get-
they won't. What do you admire the most about your friend?
She's independent, she's innovative, and she loves us.
Ditto.
ये तो थप्पड़ मार दूंगी मैं सही में.
You know, you can't just copy off all my answers like you did in school.
Ek you have to be innovative.
Excuse me, I did not copy any of your answers because my name starts from E and hers is from B. So we like have like. I am sorry.
Okay, so you were giving an answer. Good.
Yeah. So the thing that I'm mad about her is the great food she made for us.
एकदम
It's just one time she made, you know that, right?
नहीं पहले भी बनाया मैंने
She's
काफी बार.
funny. She's like really funny.
She's hilarious, I agree.
She's funny.
I'm funny.
And she's fun.
And when she cracks, everybody around her can like just
Cracks
Crack?
together.
What do you crack?
जो
No, no, no.
Why are you shouting?
No, I did not say when
I
she. What I meant was like when you go off laughing, like everybody, it's like infectious.
Yeah.
So people laugh with,
क्या because
Just
I have a
because-
funny laughter.
but I don't know. I don't know. So even if the joke is not funny and you're laughing, we'll all laugh.
Yeah, because I look like fucking Pillsbury Doughboy. That's why.
That's just that we are dumb.
Yeah. What is your best friend's favorite TV show?
She doesn't watch
Full
TV.
House. Full House.
She doesn't watch TV.
It is my favorite, like this one. I don't watch TV, yeah. But when I used to watch TV, it was that one. Because it was funny. तूने कैसे guess किया था? तूने तो फर्रू मारा ना मुझे पता तूने.
मतलब मुझे कुछ याद है उसकी कोई कीमत नहीं है मैं क्यों बैठी हूँ यहाँ पे
What favorite memory do you two share? Three, actually.
hilarious or it's horror or like
Does it matter?
Disgusting.
It's like a memory.
yeah so
Harry Potter.
I had a fracture in my left leg and this
my God.
chick
Oh my God.
and I was like in third standard
Oh my God.
and this chick just opened her hair long and she started dancing in front of me.
I thought I was entertaining
And she
her.
can't even run. Yeah, I could not even run when I was like, Papa.
It's still really funny though. Because I can like imagine her face being like,
I mean, a scandalized man.
और सुमन जी आप?
Okay, so for me, I think the sleepover we had last time with all of us, like all five of us, with the cake in the middle, if you remember.
yeah.
Yummy cake.
मुझे पता था तू ये बोलेगी.
Where we had a good sleepover also.
Yeah.
And no, before that I had another memory that I want to share. It's both of them dancing.
Oh my God.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh fudge.
And I was sleepy that time, and the other two were probably in shock. What was happening?
अरे वो हमको बोल रहे थे ऐसे नहीं ऐसे होता है.
And these two were doing the Nagin dance or what?
No, we were doing Tenali Raman. So Tenali Raman was like this character, like cartoon. So me and Nikta we were like on top of the bed going like Tenali, Tenali. So that was like a lot of
that's not a
fun.
memory.
What is the one thing that annoys you most? ये वाला
my
तो
God.
बहुत. यहाँ ये वाली तरफ से काफी आएगा.
The whole list is there. The whole list. I don't know which one to, you know.
I think we
I
should
drop
have a
things.
video for that.
Yeah, I
Another
guess.
video.
I drop things. That's what
Please
Sumani.
check out this page for another video on this.
Yeah. Does your best friend have any strange phobias?
She can't go alone to a bathroom in the night.
Oh, that's
Every night in our sleepover, she would be like, Ekta chalna.
Oh yeah.
Komal, sorry, Purva chalna.
That's one of like the things I'm scared about. But my
You
phobia.
know my home in and out. You know where everything is.
Still, somebody can attack me.
From where?
From where?
I don't know.
Just mad.
Actual phobia is clowns. Like I cannot handle clowns.
she
Yeah.
hates them.
Like I get when I was young, I used to get scared of them. Now I get aggressive. So if there's like any clown around me, like a marriage or whatever, I have to control my anger.
When
I'll
did
like
you
punch
marry a
somebody.
clown now?
Dude, couple of them do. They like to entertain the children. They're like, I'm like, fuck it, get away from my face. What concerts have your best friend been to?
इंडिया में कहाँ होते हैं कॉन्सर्ट?
इंडिया में तो इंडिया में तो दिलेर मेहंदी होता है.
She's been to a lot of fashion shows and stuff like that, but I don't think so.
And concerts are like too loud
And too
and like
expensive.
too expensive के साथ like no, I did go to one, but it ended up being cancelled
Okay.
at the
You
last
did not
moment.
go.
So no, I went there. I got every single thing done.
And that's
But
the
then-
reason it got cancelled.
No, it got cancelled because it started raining, and everybody was like really depressed. So
Did you get your money back?
I didn't pay. I was there like as a. What is the one thing your best friend would want for their birthday?
I know. Those
Ekta, I'm
beer
not 10 any longer.
tequila glasses we just saw in the mall.
They
and she
weren't
was like,
tequila.
Silverware.
yeah, silverware.
Ah, silverware.
Oh, please give me silverware for my
Silverware.
birthday. And she saw these 3 hooks which had dad, mom.
I didn't
and she
want
loves
them. I just thought that it was
cutlery.
cute. Oh my god.
Yeah.
I'm obsessed with like cutlery, like glassware, like
So she didn't want that.
crystal. Like I just love decor. I'm obsessed with it, especially vintage kind, like the stuff that you don't get any longer and have to custom made. I want. If your best friend has a scar, how did they get it?
You don't have a scar, do you?
ये क्या है?
This is a birthmark.
Birthmark, you idiot. But there's a difference between a scar and a birthmark.
Sorry.
Like the Harry Potter has a scar.
Oh.
Does
There's a
this look
Voldemort
like-
in your life as well?
No,
Are you the chosen one?
I think so.
God,
Ekta, I have the mark. I have the full moon on my face.
Shut up and start.
Okay. Oh, where does your best friend want to live when they get older?
I would say
Pahadon
Pahadon
mein?
mein, right. That's
Yeah,
her
like-
native place, so I would say that's
Yeah, but I don't want to live in my pahads. I want to live like in a place where A, they have a lot of olive oil, B, they have a lot of olives, C, I can eat a lot of pasta. Most probably I'll like live in some like town in Italy, but because they have mountains there and I really like water. Not to like wash my face, just like water everywhere. How many children does your best friend want and what will be their names?
Tango and Pango.
No, I'll tell you. Timpu and Kimpu.
That-
Yeah. Tipu,
my
sorry,
God,
that's what.
Tipu,
Tipu and
wow.
Kipu.
Tipu and
अबे कितने बच्चे चाहिए भी तो बता दो.
Well, मैंने बोला 10.
10 बच्चे. Oh my
no, I
god.
think she'll be done in like 5 maybe.
No, to be honest, okay, she wants one Tipu and one Mipu and that's it.
I want 2 girls, so
So Timpy and Mimpy.
thanks. Is your best friend allergic to something? This is like the most important because if I was allergic to something and you guys let me have it and then I died, then it was on
Shut
you.
up. I don't think so. She is. Nah.
Peanuts?
No,
No.
Ekta.
No, yeah. Sorry, no. Actually,
That's just being.
many people are so.
Yeah,
Congratulations,
I
you
know.
guys let me die. I'm allergic to eggs. Dumbasses. I told you that so many times. I can't eat eggs.
But we've had cakes and stuff.
Yes, but I'm allergic to egg, remember? Like when I have omelets, I get such like a bad pain that I'm like on bed. Like I'm on bed rest for a whole day.
And what about the cakes and pastries that you eat all the time?
That's cooked egg. So if I have omelette, which is kind of like half cooked, I'm not making it up.
Okay, you are.
नहीं मम्मी से
This
पूछ
never
लो
happened with
यार.
us. Did this
मम्मी
happen
से
with us?
पूछ लो.
But we're all vegetarians. So I'm sorry.
हाँ,
We'll
so
never
that's
let you
why.
have anything non-vegetarian because we're vegetarians.
Yeah. So that's
She's
why.
allergic.
So yeah, those were the answers to the questions, and I hope you guys liked this video. And if you did, please follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Google Plus. Okay. Please do. And also subscribe to my channel so that you can see
There's
this
a
lovely.
subscribe button.
I don't know. It's somewhere. Oh yeah, it's down there. Sorry.
Mad.
Yeah. So that is about it.
It's so much fun.
Okay, ठीक है.
Namaste.
Tata.
Bye bye.